What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to audit or find the gaps in your CV or resume using the Claude AI. So for that, make sure you stick to the video till the end to get to know about it. Let's dive right into the video. So this is a detailed prompt that I have right, and I'm attaching my CV as an resource to the Claude AI, so it will be able to see what I actually trying to get out of it. So if you're not providing your CV, then you're lagging on most of the things, but eventually you have to provide this so you can get the most out of it. For example, here are the context and role. Act as an elite executive recruiter or expert career coach specializing in placing top tier professionals. So here are the chronological gaps, skill gaps, impact gaps, narrative gaps. These are all the things that I'll be looking forward to, and output format will be executive summary, chronological audit, skill and impact analysis, actionable redemption steps, and all that over here. Now, here's the audit. Here's the executive summary. The resume has real strength, a metric forward banner, a genuinely strong sales stack, and a differentiated AI prospecting angle that most BD candidates cannot claim. Those three things will get you noticed. So it's a good overall review from that. Chronological audit, your timeline maps out cleanly on the job to job handoff, which with one true gap and two structural problems. Computer science, employment as listed. Findings, the one genuine gap is September 2023 to January 2024, roughly 4 months between graduation and your first listed role. It is a small but a careful reviewer will see it. Since you clearly do upward-based business, if you were bidding on consulting independency in that window, listed at there as a freelance. So if these are all the reviews that it has given to me. Actionable items. So this is how you guys can actually do it by just providing your CV and a drafted prompt so that you will be able to get a deep analysis of your gaps and all the logical errors. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.